Okay, this is your 72-hour forecast. I'm doing this on Wednesday, May 28th. It's for western half of PA. And It's kind of a rainy day out there. We will have more rain moving in Friday, and then some cooler temperatures for the weekend. Now, these are your temperatures around 8 o'clock this evening that you'll have. Temperatures basically in the 50s, some upper 50s in extreme southwestern part of PA. We have some precipitation that's going through and is moving away. This is still 8 o'clock this evening. There's Du Bois here heading out towards State College. Still some rain in Laurel Highlands. And then this will start to move off to the east. It'll leave some sprinkles and some showers behind it as we go through the night. This is 1 o'clock tonight, but we'll move this ahead towards the morning hours. This is around 7 a.m. And you can still see up this way towards Bradford and all. There's still a couple of sprinkles. If you look real close down here by Pittsburgh, you can see there's still some showers. So it's still not completely cleared out. Temperatures tomorrow morning. Um, Still basically 50s. Bradford's the cold air place with temperature down around 50 degrees, 51 degrees. As we go through the day on Thursday, we have a couple of sprinkles and some showers, but far and few in between. Nothing to worry about. Temperatures actually try to recover a little bit. They get into the 60s, up mid 60s. Even look down here at 68 degrees. So it does start to make a recovery, but unfortunately, with that recovery, as we get into Friday, it's around noontime on Friday. You do have some rain returning out here in southwestern PA, and you can see where the temperatures are at here at this point in time. They're in the 60s, but they'll cool as that rain starts to move in, and some of that rain could be a little bit heavier than what we've been seeing. You can see these yellows down here. That's a moderate rainfall. And then you can see some thunderstorms maybe pop up north of Pittsburgh here, and there's some down here you can't see, but there's some forming down here. Um, this is around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see the rain is moving off to the east. There are some thunder showers out over the lakes right now, but you got most of this moderate rain moving off this way. And as we get through the nighttime hours, you can see most of it has stayed to the southeastern part of the viewing area here towards Altoona and Johnstown. Erie, you haven't seen much rain at all. Temperatures as we go through the midnight hour on Friday night, you can see they're in the 50s basically everywhere, mid to upper 50s. And then as we get through the morning hours on Saturday, they start to drop down a little bit as the precip begins to move away. And it goes to the east, and they're getting some heavy rains in the eastern part of Pennsylvania and New Jersey out that way. But it begins to dry out, and then the weekend is cool. Next week we start to feel like spring a little bit. It'll warm up a little bit next week. This might be the last weekend for temperatures to be cold. All right, take it easy, be safe.